Ever wondered how your daily cup of tea could be more than just a comforting ritual? Imagine a world where your beloved morning or afternoon tea break becomes a journey to wellness. Let's talk about a certain spice-infused tea that's not just a delightful sip, but a trove of health benefits. We're talking about cinnamon tea, a warm, aromatic elixir that's more than just a tasty treat. It's a veritable health booster. What if we told you that your favorite brew could be a powerhouse of health benefits? Drinking cinnamon tea has a multitude of health benefits. Let's dive into them. Firstly, cinnamon tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These are substances that help in combating harmful free radicals in your body. By doing so, they ward off diseases and maintain overall well-being. Secondly, sipping on cinnamon tea can aid in weight loss. The spice is known to stimulate metabolism, which in turn helps your body to burn more calories. So if you're on a fitness journey, a cup of cinnamon tea might just be your best friend. Thirdly, cinnamon tea could be a boon for your heart. Regular intake can help reduce high blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels, two key factors that can lead to heart disease if left unchecked. Fourthly, cinnamon has shown to have an anti-diabetic effect. It can help manage blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial addition to the diet of those with diabetes. Fifthly, cinnamon tea holds anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in cinnamon can reduce inflammation in your body, thereby lowering the risk of various diseases. Sixthly, cinnamon is known for its immune-boosting properties. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help your body fend off infections. Next, cinnamon tea could improve your digestive health. It can help reduce bloating, gas and cramps, and stimulate digestion. So it's not just a comfort drink, but a comforting remedy too. Eighthly, some components of cinnamon could enhance brain function. They may protect against neurodegenerative diseases, thereby contributing to long-term brain health. Lastly, for women with PCOS, cinnamon can be particularly beneficial. It can help regulate insulin levels, which is a crucial aspect of managing this condition. So isn't it obvious that cinnamon tea is more than just a comforting brew? Let's summarize the key benefits of this magical brew. First off, cinnamon tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These are substances that help protect your body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants are like your body's secret service, always on duty, shielding your cells from potential harm. Next, let's talk about weight loss. You've probably heard of various teas being touted as weight loss aids, haven't you? Well, cinnamon tea is no exception. It can aid in weight loss efforts by helping to regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings, and promoting feelings of fullness. It's like having a personal trainer in your teacup, pushing you towards your goals. Then comes the heart. Your heart is arguably your most important organ. It keeps you alive, pumping blood throughout your body. Drinking cinnamon tea can provide a boost to your heart health. Studies suggest that compounds found in cinnamon can reduce levels of total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while maintaining levels of HDL, the good cholesterol. It's like giving your heart a cozy protective blanket to keep it safe and healthy. Lastly, cinnamon tea can help manage blood sugar levels. It can slow the rate at which the stomach empties after meals, reducing the rise in blood sugar after eating. It's like having a calming influence on your blood sugar, keeping it steady and stable. So next time you brew your daily cup of tea, why not make it a cinnamon one and reap these amazing health benefits?